Good afternoon. My name is Jarvis Horton. I hail from Tallahatchie, Mississippi, where I attended West Tallahatchie High School, graduating in the class of 2019. I am a sophomore here at Mississippi Valley State University, where I major in business administration. I stand before you today to inform you on climate change. But in order to know what climate change is, you have to first know what global warming is. Global warming is the long-term warming of the planet's overall temperature. Though this warming trend has been going on for so long, it increased significantly within the last hundreds of years, according to geographic.com. So over the past hundreds of years, our global temperature has increased significantly. It was a spike in the increase of temperatures that we had. So now, since you know what global warming is, I can get into climate change. There are a lot of factors that affect climate change. It changes because of these factors. Some we can control and some we cannot. First, we have humans. Yes, us. Humans are responsible for half of the observed increase in temperatures every year, According to the UCS, or Union of Concerned Scientists, every year since 1977 has been warmer than the 20th century average, with 16 of the 17 warmest years occurring after 2001. And 2016 being the warmest year on record. A study from 2016 revealed that without the recorded emissions from burning coal and oil, there is very little likelihood that 13 of the 15 hottest years would have even happened at all. So, with that being said, if it wasn't for us driving cars every day or using coal for electricity, 13 of the 15 hottest years wouldn't even happen at all. We wouldn't even have those records. We release CO2 in the air every day. We breathe, when we drive. Any small thing we do can contribute to climate change. Rainforests are our most powerful defense against climate change, and we are constantly cutting the rainforest down. Secondly, there are volcanoes. Volcanic eruptions release a great amount of gas and ash into the air. That gas and ash can stay in our atmosphere for years at a time. According to Alan Robach, in his article, Volcanic Eruptions and Climate, large volcanic eruptions inject sulfur gases into the stratosphere. When that happens, it resides for about a year. He also explained that by scattering some solar radiation back into space, the aerosols cool the surface of the Earth. But by absorbing both solar, I don't know if y'all hear the sound of that, but they cleaning out rooms. But by absorbing both solar and terrestrial radiation, the aerosols heat the atmosphere. So, volcanoes could have a two-way effect, all depending on if it absorbs or pushes out radiation. The third reason is, of course, the sun. The sun releases radiation that heats the earth. According to NASA, or National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the sun doesn't always shine at perpetually the same level of brightness. Much like Earth in its four seasons, spring, summer, fall, and winter, The sun has a cycle where it dims and brightens over a period of 11 years. NASA also stated that for more than 40 years, satellites observe the sun along with greenhouse gases coming from humans. Burning fossil fuels, the sun only plays a small role in the increase in temperature. But that small role is critical, very, very critical in the heating of the earth, because if the sun wasn't heating the earth, we wouldn't be alive. But also, there would be no global warming. If they have no heat to trap, Earth doesn't make its own heat. It has heat coming in from the sun. So without the heat from the sun, there is no heat coming in. So, in conclusion, the climate is weather over a period of time, but it is happening right before our eyes. We are affecting the climate at a huge rate. Volcanoes are constantly releasing gases into the atmosphere. The sun is always releasing gas and radiation into our atmosphere. And also, us humans are constantly burning fossil fuels, releasing harmful gases into the atmosphere that's depleting the ozone layer. All of these factors determine our climate and its ever-changing ways. Thank you.